យើងបានសិក្សាពីលើអត្ថបទរួចហើយថ្ងៃនេះយើងមកឆ្លើយសំណួរទាំងអស់គ្នាតាកុំឲ្យខាតពេលវេលាយូរយើងមកឆ្លើយសំណួរទាំងអស់គ្នា Number 1 What is her brother name What is her brother name តើប្អូនស្រីរបស់នាងមានឈ្មោះអ្វី Her brother name is Richard Her brother name is Richard ប្អូនស្រីរបស់នាងឈ្មោះថា Richard Number 2 What subject is her brother good at What subject is her brother good at តើប្អូនប្រុសរបស់នាងពូកែមុខវិជ្ជាអ្វី He is good at mathematics He is good at mathematics ប្អូនប្រុសរបស់នាងពូកែមុខវិជ្ជាគណិតវិទ្យា Number 3 What grade is her sister in What grade is her sister in តើប្អូនស្រីរបស់នាងរៀននៅថ្នាក់ទីប៉ុន្មាន Her sister in grade 5 Her sister in grade 5 នាងរៀននៅថ្នាក់ទី5 Number 4 How do they go to school How do they go to school តើពួកគេទៅសាលារៀនដោយវិធីណា They go to school by bike They go to school by bike ពួកគេទៅសាលារៀនដោយជិះកង់ Thank you for watching video lesson Thank you